Hi guys, I'm Aditi Patil and I have received a question on Instagram about where to keep pyrite and how to activate or use it. Pyrite in a plastic bag because it gets oxidized by moisture, by sweat, by water. So you can just remove it while meditating with it. So you can just hold it. How to use it? First, I'm telling you how to use it. So hold it in your hand, keep both of your hands and intend, do sankalpa. Thank you, Pyrite, for coming in my life, for bringing abundance, prosperity in my life. Thank you, Pyrite, for helping me getting rid of procrastination, laziness. Thank you for making me excited. Thank you for making me enthusiastic. Thank you for increasing my willpower. Thank you for making me more determined, disciplined. Thank you so much for coming into my life and changing my life. And visualize pyrite sparkling inside the mind. That is pyrite, every particle is sparkling. That is how you should visualize. And as in it's saying thank you or it's feeling nice. It's also grateful to be in your life. You are grateful and that the crystal is also grateful to have you in your life. So you are receiving energy from pyrite. You are giving energy with the help of pyrite. If you want to get rid of debts, you want to give money to people, then right hand, give, receive. Left hand is receiving hand. Receive money from people, left hand. Meditate, keep it in left hand and meditate. If you want to give money to people, if you want to resolve your debts, then hold it in right hand and do the sankalpa. Thank you for helping me getting rid of debts. So this is how you have to use it. And where to keep it? You can keep it in your office or where you are a purse or wallet or your money jar, money bowl, or you can keep it in the center of the office table or somewhere like how you use paperweight. You can use it like a paperweight. People who don't know what is it will think it is a paperweight. So you can also use it as a paperweight on your office table. So you can keep it in office table. Usually it is said that pyrite should not be kept in your bedroom because it improves your vitality, enthusiasm, excitement. It gives you restlessness in bedroom. So when you should be active during the day, it should be in your workplace. Wherever you are working, you can keep it. Wherever you are resting, in that room, you should not keep pyrite. Instead, you should keep amethyst and rose quartz. You can keep calming stones, or you can keep even angelite. You can keep all those calming stones in your healing space, like sleeping space. Sleeping is deepest form of healing. Sleeping is deepest form of meditation. So you should keep other crystals over there. These are the crystals which help you improve your work, your self-worth, your confidence. It gives you willpower. It helps you become more enthusiastic, excited about doing something. It helps you get rid of procrastination, laziness. So you can keep it in your hall, at your home, or in your office on office table. You can keep it in your temple also. Also, you can buy multiple pyrite stones. You can keep one on office table, one on dining table in the center of the dining table, one in the temple. So multiple stones you can keep, and per person in your home, per member, you can have one stone. So everyone will meditate with different stone of their own. They can meditate with it instead of sharing its energy with everyone and draining it. So every person should have his own pyrite stone. How to cleanse and charge pyrite crystal. So crystals ending with ITE suffix dissolve in water or sweat or in liquid. So it gets oxidized. So even if you keep it outside open, so if there is more moisture, humidity in air, it will turn black. So color will change. So you can keep pyrite in plastic bag. Otherwise, when you are not meditating with it, so you can keep it in plastic bag on office table or in temple or wherever you are keeping it, because slowly it will turn black and you will not like having this black color discharge. You will think that it is discharged. It is not discharged. If pyrite is oxidized and turns black, it does not lose its property to bring abundance and prosperity in your life. You can just cleanse it, charge it again in sunlight and moonlight and use it again. So it will be totally new. Only the looks will differ. So what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to cleanse it in dry salt because it is dissolved. It gets dissolved in water. So you should not keep it in salt water. Instead, you keep it in dry salt for 1 hour and give intention that release all the negativity that you have absorbed while I was meditating, or from the environment. If you have absorbed any negative energy, release it in that salt. And after 1 hour, take it and then keep it outside in the sunlight or moonlight. If it's full moon, it is best day to charge crystal in full moon energy. While keeping crystal for charging outside in the sunlight or moonlight, you're supposed to say it to crystal, intend it to that crystal. Sankalp karna hai कि get charged, absorb moonlight, sunlight, sun prana, moon prana, earth prana, air prana, as much as you can. Absorb it until I tell you to stop. Then give intention after 1 hour or after overnight keeping it outside. You can intend that stop absorbing energy from environment, stop absorbing prana from environment. And then you can hold it in your hand and feel its energy. Or you can just look at it, it will look more attractive, it will feel more sparkling, and you will feel the energy in your hand. Even if you are not a healer, you will feel that difference in energy. And then this crystal is as new as it was when you bought it. After charging this crystal, you can keep it on office table or temple, or you can start meditating with it regularly and start saying gratitude to this. Start practicing gratitude with a pyrite crystal and say, I'm thankful to have you in my life. Thanks for bringing prosperity and abundance. The universe will get aligned with your wishes. Even if you are not having abundance and prosperity right now, but you are supposed to say or intend to pyrite, thank you for bringing abundance and prosperity in my life. Because universe gets aligned when you say these sentences, affirmations in present tense, not in future tense. Say it in present tense that you already have it. Feel it from inside that you are already having the prosperity and abundance. You feel it and you will get it easily. If you have liked this video, give like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the bell icon. If you have more queries or suggestions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching my video.